This poor guy had too much to drink during the storm. He ended up throwing up in the bucket, and the next day we woke up from the storm. He lives actually behind us, but the wind must have blew him into our backyard, and we found him laying like this. So either he had too much to drink and the wind blew him over into our yard. You can see he's had Jack Daniels, he's had many beers, and I think he was throwing up in our yard looking at this pose that we found his body in. It's sad. This guy had either was partied during the hurricane, didn't take evacuation seriously, and this is what we found in our yard. If anybody knows Chuck, please call 976 Lost Galveston People. This dude, we don't know where he lives, and we know his name is Chuck. We found him when we woke up from the storm, and this dude was laying in our backyard. That's sad. He didn't seek shelter. If he did, he probably partied outside like a fool. But if anybody knows him, or if he's a missing person, I just want to let everybody know we found Chuck in our backyard. If you recognize this person, please call 281-332-2154. And we sent his body to the animal shelter, because at the time, that's the only place that they would take bodies in the hurricane crisis. So call us if you recognize Chuck. And Chuck obviously had a lot of Jack Daniels. You can tell that he did not, the wind either blew him here or he passed out here. We don't know which one. So obviously Chuck had problems. A concerned Galveston County citizen. Thank you.